What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a different style video for you than I'm used to. Typically I start from the beginning to the end on a truck build, and it's usually a GM truck, let's be honest. Today I have a 2019 Ram 1500 for you. It's for one of my friends. I don't have a lot of people that I call friends. I have a lot of people that I know through the shop and that I'm friendly with, and they're like acquaintances, and I consider them somewhat of a friend, but I only have a couple real friends in this world. Johnny's one of them. I've known him through the years. I've known him since I was early 20s. I'm mid 30s now, so it's been 10, 12 years since I've known him. We're from the same town. He's worked at a couple different parts stores in the area, and I've worked at a couple different tire shops, and we've just met, you know what I mean? He's a content creator now. He is a streamer. He plays PC games. I'm not real big in that world. I don't know what all it is that he does. I know 5M is the word that comes up a lot, but I see him on TikTok, and I always jump into his live streams and give him comments and support. I like to see anybody make it, and to be honest, the fact that a couple hometown guys from this area can make it on social media, it's insane. With the power of YouTube and the power of TikTok, we're both paying bills and making stuff happen with it. So it's kind of a blessing, to be honest, and I'm thankful for it. So Johnny brought me a truck. It's a 2019 Ram. We're going to be doing 26 by 14 Artem Novus wheels in chrome and some 35-inch amp tires. Now, this truck already has a leveling kit on it with some 33s and 24-inch wheels, I believe. They're also Artem wheels. I'll show you those here in just a minute. But the truck's going to have 4-inch max track spindles after we're done. And the way that the truck works, this Dodge, you can keep the leveling kit and throw spindles. So we're going to end up with about 6 inches of lift on the truck overall. We're definitely going to have to do some fender modification, bumper modification, some trimming to this truck. But I think at the end of the day, this truck's going to look really good with a big chrome set of 26 by 14s on it. And I can't wait to bring it to you. I know that with this max track spindle, this truck's going to drive exactly the same way it drives now. It's just going to be a little bit higher in the front. Right now, we're not doing anything in the rear. If he decides later that he wants to level the rear with the front, then we'll do that too. But we're going to kind of do it in steps and see what we got. So I'm going to get out of the truck and show you what the truck looks like. Let me know in the comments what you think, and give a shout out to my buddy Johnny. All right, so like I said, it's a 2019 Ram 1500. This is the Laramie. I'm not like a Ram expert, so I don't claim to be. I was just told that this is a Laramie. I know it has a Hemi in it, 5.7. That's the motor you want, I guess. Unless you're buying like a 2500 with the Cummins, I guess the Hemi is the one you'd want to have in the 1500. The truck looks amazing now. Like I said, it's leveled. Has some 24 by 12 Artem Curvis wheels in the black and milled finish. It does not have the floating center cap on this wheel, but on the new ones he does. Inside the fender here, you'll see the suspension. We have a leveling kit already right here, which will stay on top of the spring and the strut there. And then from what we will do is take this spindle. Let me see if I can get a good shot of it. This piece right here is called a spindle or a knuckle. That piece is what we're changing out. The one that we're putting on will be 4 inches. Basically, the hub will mount 4 inches lower on the spindle than this one, and it will lift the truck in the front. And it like tricks the system. The truck doesn't realize that it's lifted as much, and all the angles remain factory. We're not really changing suspension here. We're just changing where the hub bolts onto that spindle. So stay tuned for the video. Very excited. I think this one's going to look awesome. I think we're going to do a full transform on this. The truck has chrome badges and chrome trim all over it with the bumpers, so I told Johnny go chrome. Hopefully I don't let him down. Stay tuned for the video. Thank you.
Float, Sean. Oh, this is tough.
Show it to me. That's hard.
That is hard.
So he's already got a leveling kit in the front. We're about to throw some 4-inch max track spindles on this. It's gonna equal out to about 6 inches of lift, and these are 26 by 14 Artem Novus wheels with 35 1350 26. Looks like you got the amp tire, so this ought to be pretty decent setup for him. You ready?
I'm ready, baby.
We cutting anything?
Hey, Southern Tire the gang, baby.
We cutting anything or no?
We cutting it all the way.
We'll be doing like facing the light.
We're gonna cut the whole truck, the whole front truck.
We're gonna turn it into a Chevrolet. No. Is that a bullet hole?
Look at your screen again. Zach, look at your screen.
All right, guys, so you just watched the install video of the Ram with the 26x14s and the Max Track spindles. We did not do a lift in the rear of this. It's obviously squatted. This was kind of because the price of the lift kit versus the price of the spindles is so much more. He can always come back later and put the blocks or the coil spring spacers in the back. So we might end up doing that, but just for the time being, Johnny said he's gonna run around with it squatted. So I wanted to introduce Johnny on the channel. This is Johnny. I'm in his driver's seat of his truck. He's in the passenger seat. This is where I normally do my my clips, you know, at the end of the videos. So I really have been doing it a lot in the truck because the air's going right now and it's super hot outside. It's probably, I don't know, his truck says 63 degrees. It's probably 100, maybe 95, something like that outside, or what it feels like on this concrete pad. So I'm about to get out and show you what the truck turned out like. We're super happy with it, super pumped. Couldn't be more excited to reveal it, so stay tuned. All right, so there it is. We got our 2019 Ram 1500 ready to go. We did the 4-inch Max Track spindles. I've said it about 6 times in this video already, but I just wanted to let everybody know that you can get a lot of height out of these 2-wheel drive Ram 1500s by just doing a spindle in the front. Once again, the spindle is right there. Earlier in the video, I showed you a comparison between that one and the stock one. They may be a little bit longer as far as how long the piece is, but really what it is the location of the hub has moved down 4 inches right here on Max Track spindle. So it doesn't change any of the geometry of the suspension. Everything still aligns the same. It still rides the same. The truck virtually doesn't know that it's lifted. So 26x14. This is the Artem Novus in the chrome finish. We did the 35, 13, 50, 26 amp MTs. Now, I'm not gonna say we threw them on here and they just fit. We had to do a trim job. We do one of the best in the business as far as I'm concerned. I've seen a lot of the other shops cut jobs and I like what we put out. This is a good straight line, has a rubber sealer on it so there's no sharp edges for anybody to get cut. In the back, we did what we could with it. It does have the fender flare on this model, so we had to cut on the fender flare, but this truck clears all the way. I just drove it myself. If you back up off of it and really look at this truck, it doesn't scream "I've been cut" to me, so it seems fine to me. The truck is squatted. It has a little bit higher front than it does in the rear. This may be something we change in the future for him, but just for the time being, just to say he's had a squatted truck, there it is. If you have any questions about this truck or if you want to get a price on something like this, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. We're in McDonough, Georgia. My name is Jake, and I appreciate everybody watching. I wanted to also give Johnny a shout out. I told you guys earlier briefly that we were friends outside of work and I've known him for a long time. He's here with me now, so I wanted to give him an introduction. And I also wanted to say he is a content creator himself, mainly on TikTok and Twitch. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
He does some video game stuff. If you want to give him a follow or see what he does, here's his name.
It's just Johnnie_Bravo with 2 O's_ on Twitch and TikTok.
You heard that. Give him a follow, and I appreciate you guys watching the channel.